Hey buds, aren't sunflowers amazing? They're so tall, strong, and cheery, and they always tend to lift my spirits. They are also known to symbolize things such as adoration, loyalty, and longevity. And from an edible standpoint, most of us have probably sampled sunflower seeds at some point in time. Now, seeds in general, nutritionally speaking, are a dietitian approved thing because they tend to have heart-healthy nutrients like fiber and unsaturated fats. And in the terms of sunflowers, you can actually use the immature white seeds and just add them straight into soups and salads if you like. But I have been learning that it goes much further than that. You can grill sunflower heads, you can cook up immature sunflower heads like artichokes, you can use the sunflower cooking oil, or even make sunflower sprouts to add to your dishes. And today we might actually be finding out a little bit about the fact that you can even eat sunflower leaves. And as far as other practical purposes, you can also use sunflowers to do things like dyeing yarn and fabrics. The flowers are supposed to give you a golden color, while the mature seeds will give you a purple. Humans have a long history of sunflowers dating back to prehistoric times. Fun facts. Although it appears as if it is a single flower, a sunflower head is actually called an inflorescence, which is kind of like a community made up of a whole lot of smaller flowers. What we see as petals are called ray florets, and the inner pieces are called disc florets. If you think about it for a second, this might make sense because each floret will create an individual seed after being pollinated. Each disc floret is oriented towards the next by approximately the golden angle of 137.5 degrees, producing a pattern of interconnecting spirals. And this pattern produces the most mathematically efficient packing of seeds possible within the flower head. The largest sunflower head on record measured 32.5 inches across its widest point and was grown in Canada. Sunflowers are also commonly used in birdseed, which is how most of these ended up in my yard. I am happy to let them volunteer, and now I have plenty of cheer and material to experiment with in the kitchen. And if I don't get around to using them all, the birds will come full circle and enjoy the seeds they produce. The bees also seem to enjoy them. Today, let's try making some stuffed sunflower rolls. Let us know in the comments what your favorite way to eat a sunflower is.